Supplementary Information Question 8. Early Immigration Policies. Although Canada has a long history of immigration, its policies were not always welcoming to everyone. For example, the federal government discouraged Chinese people from coming to Canada by introducing a head tax in 1885. This tax was imposed on every person of Chinese origin entering the country, while other groups were not targeted in this way. In 1923, the Canadian government took this policy even further by creating the Chinese Immigration Act, which tried to stop Chinese immigration altogether. This act was in place for more than 20 years, until it was withdrawn in 1947. In the early 1900s, the federal government also issued legislation to prevent Indian people from coming to Canada. In 1908, the Continuous Passage Act required that all immigrants come to Canada by a non-stop route. This law made it impossible for people from India to come to Canada because there were no steamships that came to Canada by a direct route. This act was challenged in 1914 when Indian passengers on the steamer Komagata Maru, which had come from Hong Kong, were refused entry into Canada. The ship was docked in Vancouver for 2 months before all but 20 of the 376 passengers were finally sent back to India.